Hey, today I'm gonna tell you one of the most destructive thing that is on internet today, and that is called Chat GPT by OpenAI. Let's look. So let's suppose if I wanted to learn Python from scratch, so I just type TOC for Python beginners, and it will give me all the topics that a beginner has to learn. Okay, and then you have a complete roadmap. Now you can start learning things from the beginning, and you can do multiple learning from itself here. Like I want to learn the basics of syntax in Python syntax. So I just type down and it's gonna work further again. So these are some Python syntax. And now more on, it will also give me a code as well as. So this is what you can do with Python.